currently standing at the government hospital in KK Nagar, and what you can see here is a water logging outside the premises. And right now many barricades have been put up to ensure that people do not walk into the region where there's heavy water logging. You can see how there is one place in front itself where it's barricaded, and you can see water logging behind as well. On the right hand side of the building, we're seeing that a motor has been set up to remove the water from the premises to the outer portion, which is the road, which is the KK Nagar road facing the Udayam Theatre. And that's exactly what they have taken as a modus operandi here, to ensure that the water which is stagnated in the premises is pushed out. This is once again a situation that happens in KK Nagar Government Hospital during every single rain.
I'm right now standing at one of the prime locations in the city, Mylapore, which is considered at the center of the city, heart of the city. PS Sivasami Sale is one of the roads that has been closed for the day. As you can see, there have been barricades that's been put out by the local authorities, and the entire street that leads to the main Mylapore area has been closed, and people are unable to reach to particular locations. And all of this because of the heavy rains, consecutive rains that took place yesterday, 7 hours of non-stop rains. Now today the corporation, along with the city officials, have been identifying spots that are waterlogged, and this is one of the prime locations that has been shut for the day. We'll have to wait and watch. The rains have stopped, but waterlogging still remains an issue. The infrastructure is still remains a question for the Chennai Corporation, who have been working throughout the night to making sure the water is cleared from most of the areas. 80% of the water has been cleared out in the city, but there are few roads like one of these such spots where still the transportation is being hindered.
We're standing at the T Nagar bus stand. This is one of the major bus depots in Chennai city, and you can see here there is heavy water logging inside this place. People who have been coming to get the buses have been walking in water and getting into the buses. This is a very unfortunate situation that we're seeing in the city of Chennai itself, and you can see here there are multiple places where there are huge pits also right in front of me where I'm standing. You can see that there is a huge pothole of a sort, and those people who don't really know what is happening will definitely have a tough situation wading through this water. And we can see that commoners who have been coming to get buses have been struggling. Also, there has been delay in many buses going to many localities, is what people have been telling us. And especially from this commercial street, T Nagar, many of the common people who come here generally use these buses because they're very convenient and have good connectivity as well. But unfortunately, we can see the kind of scenario that is there around us. Waterlogging everywhere has become the new normal for Chennaiites during the rainy season, and when will this unfortunate situation change is a big question. We're standing at KK Nagar, a prime location in Chennai city, and what you can see here is that in a single day's rain, heavy waterlogging is witnessed here. A motor pump has been placed in this locality to pump out the excess water, but residents as well as commuters in this region have been saying that this is a continuous affair. During the November rains, similar situation was seen, and in fact there are multiple government organizations that are located in this premises. Government Institute of Rehabilitation Medicine Hospital is right here, and you can see how people who are going to the center are walking in water and coming out of this location. You can see the kind of perplex with which people are standing there. It's extremely difficult to even see what is there underneath to even walk. So that is a huge difficulty, and just opposite to that is another hospital. It's a government hospital again, and here again we're seeing that there was heavy water, and that again was being pumped using motor pumps. And we had seen heavy waterlogging in several subways and roads, and also heavy traffic jam because of the waterlogging. We're at the Madly subway in Chennai. This is a subway that connects to the commercial street of T Nagar. to the residential area of West Mambalam, and you can see that the area that we're currently standing at itself is around knee-deep water, and as we progress inside, the depth of the water further increases. Officials have been saying that they have been using motorized pump to remove the water, and efforts are on full swing. But this is the situation in the Madly subway since last night when heavy rainfall lashed Chennai city, and this is a sorrowful situation in this subway that we've seen year after year. Even during the November rains, similar scenario had panned out, and for days together this subway was cordoned off. People in this locality have been fearing that similar issues will be there, and you can see how people are trying to optimally use this in a positive way. Right now we can see a person washing his vehicle with the water that has been logging in this locality, and he has been saying that there's nothing much that can be done. Work has been stopped. 3 people were killed, electrocuted. So the situation in Chennai city is not that good at the moment, and we're seeing that holiday has been given to 4 districts, which includes Chennai, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram and Chengalpet, and officials have been saying that all precautionary measures should be taken. Even today there is moderate rainfall which is expected, but for the last several hours Chennai thankfully has not received much of rainfall. It seems like a gloomy ending for 2021. With camera person Daniel from Chennai, Zakshana for India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.